We're up and about fairly early this morning. That's a bit of a miserable morning compared to yesterday, where we had nice sunshine, which is just perfect. I've got to go and service Heather's car today. She passed her driving test this week. Well done, Heather. But first, I'm going to have some breakfast, some coffee, and then we're going to go to the stables. Fried egg and cheese on toast. A touch of brown sauce. And coffee. You enjoying that breakfast, Guy? Oh, you got some banana in there. Good girl. Well, that's the stable all mucked out. Good job, Sky's good. Mucked out around it. Hay nets are all done as well. And you're not going out, Sky. It's miserable. I suppose you think that's funny, horse.
Oh, she does.
See you, Sky.
Enjoy PJ Day.
Well, we've got Heather's car home. Still raining. Don't know how much I'm going to get done. Well, I've got a collection of service parts for Heather's car. I think we're going to start with an oil and filter change. Let's see how we get on with the rain. Oh well, isn't this fun? Draining oil in the rain. Just hope your bucket's big enough. Looks fairly well maintained underneath. Got a new anti-roll bar link, bottom arm, had some brake work. Whoever's repaired it, they've marked everything as well. Checking on the tightness. Just put a nice new air filter in. But the screws that hold it all down are a bit knackered. Let's see what I can do with them. Well, I've cut a little groove in the top of the screw to fit a very specific screwdriver. Basically, it's the biggest one I've got. Well, that was a very soggy afternoon. We got Heather's car all serviced and checked over. Not a bad little motor, that. I want to say thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go and have a nice hot shower and a well-deserved beer. and we shall see you all next week. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe.